Hi, my name is Laura Geraci and I'm Sicilian. Here at Stoke Lodge I teach Italian language courses but as well Italian cookery, and today I'm going to show you how to make some lovely fresh pasta dough. Get stuck in and make fresh pasta from scratch in our hands-on cookery courses. Here is what you'll need. 300 grams of plain pasta flour, or just some plain flour, a pinch of salt, a tablespoon of olive oil, two or three eggs depending on size, and you might need a little splash of water or you might not. And knead all the ingredients together. Knead well onto the surface. So the pasta dough is becoming elastic and springy. When it springs back, it's ready. Then you can roll out with a rolling pin. And finally feed through the pasta machine. You don't have to use a pasta machine if you don't have one. Feed through the pasta machine. Normally you can do a few times by changing the thickness of the pasta machine. It's lovely and thin now, so we can put it through the tagliatelle attachment to cut into shapes. And soon the tagliatelle will be coming out the other end. Ready for you to boil and enjoy with perhaps a tomato and basil sauce.